Welcome to Learn Spanish World. Today, Claudia will continue talking about assessing and describing pain in Spanish.
So, topic number 2, pain. So, assessing pain is really important in English and Spanish, and anywhere you go, it's very important in healthcare. So, when asking your Spanish patients whether they have pain or not, to ask if they have pain, you say, ¿Tienes dolor? So that's a yes or no question. Do you have pain? ¿Tienes dolor? Or you can say, ¿Te duele algo? So another thing we like to do in healthcare is we like numbers. We like to know how much it hurts. So a very common way of assessing pain in English is asking people on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being no pain, 10 being the worst pain you've ever imagined, where is your pain? A simple way to do this in Spanish would be to say, en una escala de 0 a 10, ¿cuánto le duele? So 0 is 0, 10 is 10. So you might need to know how to count in Spanish for this. So we'll bring up a table here. So from 1 to 10, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So once again, a little bit slower. De una escala de 0 a 10, ¿cuánto le duele? So from a scale of 0 to 10, how much does it hurt? Okay, if you're not feeling so confident with your Spanish, a simpler way to ask is, does it hurt a lot or a little? So you can say, ¿Te duele mucho o poco? So mucho is a lot, poco is a little bit. So you can ask your patient, ¿Le duele mucho o poco? So the other thing we like to know in healthcare is what kind of pain is it? Is it sharp? Is it burning? Is it blunt? Is it squeezing? So just some words in Spanish for that. If it is a burning pain, you might say quema. So the word quema literally means burns. So in healthcare, we also like to know what kind of pain it is. So a way you might ask your patient what kind of pain it is it burning? So quema or arde? Is it sharp? Agudo? So is it sharp? So dolor agudo. Or is it pressure? So pressure is really good because it sounds similar to English. Pressure is presión o apretar. So presión o apretar. So in Spanish, there's 2 words we mainly use to describe pain. So the word dolor means pain. It literally translates to pain. Or the word duele is what they use in Spanish to say it hurts. Another common thing we like to assess is the pain constant or intermittent? So the ways you can ask this in Spanish is su dolor es constante, so constant, o intermitente. So they sound very similar to English, so constante o intermitente. So to ask your patient where their pain is, you would say ¿Dónde? So where. Está is el dolor. So back to pain. ¿Dónde está el dolor? So they might point, or we'll touch on later in the video of some anatomy, so some key points. So it might be me duele la cabeza or me duele el estómago. And then finally...
That wasn't me, sorry.
Finally, you might want to ask your patient, would they like something for pain? Would they like some analgesia? So the simplest way to ask this in Spanish is, ¿Necesita algo para el dolor? Do you need something for the pain? ¿Necesita algo para el dolor? So, ¿necesita algo para el dolor? So, do you need something for the pain? Which is good because it'll be a yes or a no.
And that was all for today, my dear amigos. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. You will help us continue producing videos for you for free. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time with Learn Spanish World. Hasta la vista. Adios.